whoever it's by, but I just thought it was. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Hold up. Like, right when it came out the bag, it was the color for me. Like, is it the color for me? Is it the color for me? Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a SHEIN purse haul. I got like 15, 16 purses that I'm going to show you guys today. I hope you guys like them. They're really cute and really stylish and totally affordable. You know, on trend, all that good stuff. This is the box it came in. So yeah, it's a lot of purses, you guys. I'm very excited to introduce my new cosmetic line. It's also jewelry on there, but the cosmetics that I have on there are lashes and lip gloss. But yeah, I'm wearing one right now. This is the crystal clear. Very shiny. It has high shine and it smells so good, you guys. Like, not even kidding. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys want to shop. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. But yeah, this is my lip gloss. We have 5 different colors available and shipping is free every day. So yeah, go ahead and shop, you guys. First purse I'm gonna show you guys is this cute green purse. Hold on, okay, here go the chains. Like, I thought it was so cute, you guys, and unique. And it comes with a strap. I didn't know it came with a scrap. So, where is the hook? You can hook it right here. Look at this, you guys. I already got a fit in my mind. These colors are popping. Like, let me pin it. You can't tell me this ain't cute. The material is thick. I'm really liking this scrap. I don't even remember this scrap being on the picture of the product, but I really like it. This is how it looks on the inside. It's black on the inside, and it doesn't have a zip or anything, but it does actually have a lot of room. So that's a plus. I'm gonna rate them as I go. So this one is gonna be an 8 out of 10. And like, I don't know if I got a 10 in here, 10 out of 10, but I don't know what's gonna beat this because this is real cute and stylish. Ooh! Got it for the smell, but you know, it still smells like new purse. Ooh, this is cute, you guys. Like, look at this. Y'all, this is cute. This turned out cuter than I thought. Like, I didn't expect it to be ugly, but I didn't expect it to be this cute. Now, I'm not really feeling this right here. Like, they didn't have to put this right here, but like, this throwing off the color for me. But this purse is cute. I wish they didn't put that right there, but this is still cute and it still feel good. It just feel warm. You know, it just feel like the winter time. Like, it's just giving me winter. Like, and it comes with a scrap as well, so you can wear it as a crossbody too. Easy to put the scraps on. Yeah, you can wear it like that too. This is super cute, you guys. I can't wait to wear this. I can wear this with my chestnut Uggs and do like an all white. Ooh, it's cute. I don't know. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 too because this is real cute. I've seen these bags around for a little minute, so it's really cute to me. Okay, next bag, y'all. I'm gonna move right along because we got a lot of purses to see. So, ooh, this look like that purse bag. It kind of remind you of that Balenciaga bag that they got going on, or that Ego bag, whatever it's by, whoever it's by. But I just thought it was. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Hold up. Like, right when it came out the bag, it was the color for me. Like, is it the color for me? Is it the color for me? Y'all, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Hold on, you guys. Hold up. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is hard. This is cute. Y'all, and then it got adjustable so I can make it longer. Y'all, this is so cute. Let me show you the inside of it, y'all. It got a lot of space. It don't have any zippers, but it does have a lot of room in there, so you can definitely put your keys, money, lip gloss, all that good stuff in there. The material is not that thick, so it's not gonna last you as long. but like it's spot on for the look. Like it's very cute. It's giving the look. Yeah, I done fell in love, and they had so many colors in this purse. I'm gonna go back and get them. Oh, this is so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, I need to find some boots to match this. Y'all, we got a 10 out of 10. I don't know what could beat this. This is it, and I love how it's studded. I love this color. Like, what would you call this color? Is it like a pinkish purplish? Like, this is perfect, Shein. And I'm not really tripping over the fabric because I know it was like $10, $15. I know it was cheap. It's really giving snake skin, whatever crocodile skin is supposed to be. This is so cute. Okay, I guess we gotta go to the next purse, but this is it for me. This is giving everything for me. Okay, we gotta go to the next purse because I've been talking about that purse forever. What the hell they mean to spell on it? Prefix. Do they mean to put perfect? What they mean prefix? Prefix. Okay. But I can't say that it's not throwing the bag off like how the other purse, it was throwing like, oh, like this, that black label is throwing it off for me. It's not throwing the purse off. So I'm not really caring about that. But did they mean to put prefix? Because I don't even remember that on the label. It comes with crossbody straps as well. And I'm not gonna put it on there because I probably wear it like this. But y'all, they got a lot of space on the inside. And it got a zipper. Let's see. Yeah, I got a zipper space. And like the inside of this purse is like, if you can see, it's that material. It's some good material. I'm liking this. I really like this. You can do this with a cute all black bodysuit with some black boots, or you can work out some color in here, some brown boots or something. This is real cute. What I'm gonna rate this one? I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 too, because it's really cute. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I'm keeping everything I got so far, so. But yeah, this is cute. I don't even remember what I ordered, you guys. I just was ordering because I needed some new purses. I forgot about this one. It's almost like this one. It's a little darker. It's a little darker. You got the little crossbody. This is gonna be so pretty on, y'all. It's really little. Like my lip gloss. Let me see, can my lip gloss fit in here? My lip gloss can fit in here, so yeah, a lip gloss and your keys can fit in here. It's really little though. I didn't think it was gonna be this little, but it's really little. So like it's the size of my hand. It's really little, but it's so cute. If it would have been a little bigger, almost like not as big as that one, but like the first bag, if it would have been like that size, it would have been perfect. But it's still cute. Now if it was bigger, I would have gave it a 8 out of 10, but since it's so small, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's not ugly though, it's really cute. It's just too small. Like, it's like a little dog purse or a little Barbie purse. It's so small. All right, next purse. Okay, I thought it was gonna look better than this. I'm not really feeling this. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not really feeling this. It looks really cheap and it feels really cheap as well, but I know it was cheap. I mean, it's cute. It's definitely something to add to my collection. I'm not gonna send any of them back because I just really wanted more in my collection, but it's not my favorite out here. It's definitely something different to pop on. Oh, go down now. Maybe it's just too much pink going on. Probably would look better if this was white. It's just too much pink on pink. It's like, it's not cute. I don't like it. It look like a little dog house. It's not cute. I don't like this one. I give this maybe a 3 out of 10. I'ma still wear it though, but it's not really given to me. Now, if you like it, you know, go get it, but it's not really given to me. Next purse, really, really cheap, but you know, it's fast fashion. It was only like $10 probably, so I'm not tripping. I do like this though. It got a thick crossbody strap. I do like this though. This is really cute. Let me see it put together. So, do I supposed to bring it in here? Why they didn't send it like that then? Why would they do that? if it is supposed to go right here. And I think it was another one. Yeah. And you just, it got look this right here through the back, so I'm just putting it through it. Okay. So yeah, I think this is how it looks on the picture. Now this is it, girl. This is real cute. I like this one. Is it supposed to be this way? Yeah, it's supposed to be this way. I really like how it's giving denim on denim. This is real cute. It could have been better material, but it's still cute, and I can't wait to rock it. Yeah, that's hard right there. That's hard right there. Whew. This is too cute. Let's see how it look on the inside. It look like it got a lot of space. Yeah, it don't have no zipper or anything, but it does have a lot of space in it. It's not that small at all. You can see it's cheap material. But we already knew that it's SHEIN, but I'm just giving y'all a heads up. But yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. It's real cute. And I'm really liking this blue. This blue is really cute. All right, the next person is this one. Bam, y'all. This one is so cute. I really thought it was different. You could wear it one night out with the girls or a club. Something cute when you got that nude color on, or all black just to throw in a nice color. I really thought it was cute and different. I don't really have like pieces, like purses wise. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try something out the box. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of cute on the picture. I should just got, I think it came in black. So I should have got the black one. But this one is still cute. It's just really giving like khaki school pants material, if you can tell. It's not like they should have just did it in a different type of material. But it's still cute, you know, something different to throw into the collection. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. Show these purses together because why did they play with me like this? Both of these look bigger on the picture. So like they really got me. Like I looked at the reviews and everything too, and it didn't look this small. These are like little, what can I put in here? Like I like little purses, but this is too little, and this would be like perfect if it was like, if it was this camera size. Like let me show y'all this. If it was this camera size, it would have been very cute. But what the hell is this? This is a damn, the hell is this? A wallet? What the hell is this? This is too little. But both of them are super cute. Still can wear. I'm still gonna wear. This is extra small. These are not small purses. That is considered a small purse. This is an extra small. This is too small, you guys. So I'm mad about this. I'm mad about this. Look at the detail. This would be so bomb if it was regular size. And it has a scrap as well. I know it does. So you can wear it as crossbody, but yeah. But yeah, these two are cute. They're very girly, very on trend, you know. But, you know, just too damn small. I can't. Looking at this one for a while, and I finally, you know, just got it. It's got these teddy bears all over it. So cute. I got a teddy bear purse not too long ago. I don't know where it's at. But I got a teddy bear purse, and it was just like this material all over. But the way that they did this and add the leather on top or whatever it is, pleather, I thought it was really cute, and I like how this handle is right here. So this is giving like a whole different vibe. And it comes with the scraps as well. Let me put these on because I want to see how this one actually looks. This one is giving like a 8 out of 10 to me. So you can wear it like this, or you can, you know, hold it right here. Let me zip this back together. But yeah, or you can zip it, or you can hold it like this. But either way it go, it's super cute. I really love the details on it, everything about it. I can't wait to wear this. I need to get like a trench coat to match this leather, like a dark brown. This will be super cute. And it say Jing Ping and bags. So yeah, it has nothing on the bottom and nothing on the top. So that cheetah print one, I guess I've got it in the white one. It's smaller though. It's not as big as that one was. And ooh, y'all, it got a little furry. It got a furry crossbody. Furry scrap. This is too cute. Ooh. On the inside of the purse, it is black. Let me see if it has a zipper. It doesn't have a zipper, but it's really cozy feeling inside as well. And this is super cute. Yeah, this is cute, you guys. I'm loving this one. And it's so soft, y'all. It's so freaking soft. This is cute. So you can do like this. Oh, Lord. You getting all this white stuff on. It's really soft. So I'm gonna give this one 8 out of 10. This one is really cute. And I just can't stop rubbing it. It feels so good, y'all. Oh, it feels so good. Ooh, I'm gonna give this one is the softest. Like, this one is super duper soft. Okay, this one kind of reminded me of, you know, the Marc Jacobs tote bag. It comes with a strap as well. Every one of them came with a strap. I didn't know that. The Marc Jacobs tote bags like this, I wasn't really feeling them, but I thought this was cute. But it did look better on the pictures. This is giving really cheap vibes, like looking at it. But it's still cute to throw on a little errands bag. One of the purses everything can fit in, because it does got a lot of space in the middle of it. So I thought it was smaller. I feel like if this wasn't right here, it'll be cuter. Like, I don't know what this is. This is supposed to, I don't know. But yeah, this is probably my least favorite of them all. This looks just like a little bag. It's probably, I don't like it for real. It look better on the pictures. Okay, y'all, we have 2 more bags, I believe. 2 more. All right, and this one is just like that pink one. It's brown, I guess, brownish. I'm thinking brown. It look kind of brownish, bronze looking color to me, but it's super cute too. The color is all right. The color's all right. It's not speaking to me how the pink one was, of course, but it's all right. It's definitely something different in my collection. I have no purse this color at all. I'm gonna show you this brown against this brown. But yeah, it's like a bronze. It's giving like shiny bronze. So, but like the color is not really, you know, it's not really giving that much. I don't know, I really like the color. I really like the color. I don't even remember ordering this color. Like this, I don't even think this is a color that I ordered. I gotta look at my order. I don't remember looking at this color. I remember that pink looking color. I don't remember this color, but I'm gonna go look. But this is it. It's still cute, you guys, but you know, I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 10. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next purse because that one really wasn't talking about nothing to me. This was cuter in the pictures as well, but it's still cute. And it has scraps as well. It look like a whole different color. Do it even match? I don't know. These last 2 kind of disappointed me. It's still very cute though, don't get me wrong. So you can still style it really good. But I don't know why. My expectations was a little higher for those. But it's still very cute. Like, you still can put this shit on with this. So, but I may just do the scrap in here. Because this scrap don't even look like it matches. Let me see. But yeah, I gave y'all a good lengthy purse haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found some purses. Let me tell y'all what my favorite purse was. Y'all already know what my favorite purse was. It was the pink one. Of course, this was my favorite purse. This one is so cute. Like, I can't wait to wear it already. Like, it's so cute. I'm not feeling this color at all, but this color is banging. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul. I hope you found some cute purses. Hope you added them to your cart if you liked them or whatever. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys have a blessed day.